What's up everybody, my name is Mike from the Steel and Flint Society. Today we're going to go over 3 reasons why we love the Godox system. Reason number 1 is that all the units talk to each other. So for example, your on-camera speed light can trigger an off-camera strobe, and that kind of flexibility without the need for any external trigger is super awesome on wedding days, which is what a lot of us shoot. Reason number 2, no more AA's. All the Godox units we recommend have a lithium-ion battery pack, so you're going from charging 8 batteries to just 2, and that's awesome. Reason number 3 is price. That paper, them bones. It's all about the Benjamins. The Godox V862 is around $180 at the time of this video, and the 8200 is about $300. So for the price of one name brand speedlight, you're getting 2 kick-ass strobes and the ability to expand. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you've seen the light. The Godox system is amazing and everyone should use it. In the description below, we're gonna put a link to the blog post with all of our favorite flash goodies in it. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you again soon.